Today we are here to talk to you about Compass Concierge. What is Concierge? Concierge is a way for you to use our money to improve your home, to fast track your sale and maximize your net proceeds. How does it work? Let's get into it. The first step is to meet with us and determine the most effective updates for your home. The second step is to determine a budget and apply for Concierge funds. The third step is to list your home with us and then receive your Concierge card in the mail or cash or a combination of both. Then we'll work with trusted vendors, either ones we recommend or ones you already know, to complete the updates to your home. Then at closing, you'll repay the Concierge funds, or when you delist your home, or 12 months after you receive the money. Common uses for Concierge funds are new appliances, light fixtures, paint, roofing, landscaping, DIY projects, general repairs, and a lot more. Pretty much anything that you need to do to your property to get it ready for sale. Some of the most common questions that we hear about Concierge are, does applying for Concierge funds affect my credit? The answer in most cases is no, it does not. It's a soft credit pull, so it shouldn't affect anything. The second question we get is, how long does it take to apply for Concierge funds? In most cases, it's very, very quick. Some folks have more complicated financial situations and additional documentation is required. The other question that we hear all the time is, are there any upfront fees, any interest, or any cost at all associated with borrowing this money? The answer is no. No fees upfront, no interest. There is a $750 funding fee. However, when we sell your home, if we work through our trusted escrow partner, Chartwell Escrow, that fee will be waived. There are several other ways that we can discuss structuring the sale of your home so you don't have to pay that $750 funding fee. So what now? Send us a message or give us a call. Set an appointment for us to visit your home. Let us show you how Concierge can help, and let us show you how Compass gets homes sold.